Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to move text along a path in Photoshop for 2A. First of all, I apply this writing way. Create a new layer. Select pen tool. Path or shape. I use shape. Stroke color. Fill. Do not use fill. Okay. Then hold Alter. Hold Alter. Then click the text horizontal type tool and then show this icon. Then click here. Type anything. Okay, and step 2. Okay, create a new layer and type hold Control T, click the icon, then right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, again right click mouse, rasterize layer, then hold Control T, click the icon, okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.